Welcome to SKC FinTalks, where we are not just talking about money, but we are making it move. Today we have a challenge on our hands. We start with just 10,000 rupees. No investor, no sponsor, no fancy office. The goal? Turn this small stack into 1 lakh in 30 days. Sounds crazy, right? But money doesn't grow by luck, it grows by mindset. The first step is all about the mindset. Before you make money, you have to think money. Most people would spend 10K on clothes, drinks, or a weekend chill. But if you treat that same cash as your first employee, it starts working for you. That's the mindset difference between broke thinkers and boss thinkers. Every rupee is a soldier. Send it to fight. For your freedom, not for your ego. The mindset isn't about saving every rupee. It's about giving every rupee a purpose. You want your money to work harder than you do because money sitting still is dead money. Once you start seeing cash as a tool, not a toy, that's when you win. Now for the game plan. 4,000 rupees goes into a small flipping business. Buy undervalued stuff, resell it for profit. 3,000 goes into a digital hustle. Run a small ad for a service. Or create and sell merch. 2,000 stays. As backup, never go all in. And 1,000, that's for data, content, and daily grind. Because hustle needs fuel. We'll track every move, every mistake, every rupee. This isn't theory, this is street finance. SKC FinTalks style. Time for the hustle. Day 1, hit the local market. Don't look for discounts, hunt for opportunities. Someone's trash can be someone else's business. Buy low, sell smart. Repeat fast, push it online. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, the new age street. Even 100 rupee profit can multiply if you move fast and stay consistent. Remember, money doesn't sleep, it just changes hands. If you're watching this thinking, I can't start, I'm broke, remember, I started with 10K. You don't need millions to begin, you need courage, discipline, and a plan. This journey isn't just about money, it's about mindset, growth, and proving what's possible. Maybe I'll hit 1 lakh, maybe I'll fail. But one thing's for sure, we'll learn how to make every rupee count. Because when knowledge meets hustle, that's when the broke become the boss. This is SKC FinTalks, where your salary stops working for you and you start working on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real finance hustle. Let's grow together. SKC FinTalks, turning small money into big moves.